Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a question that a lot of content creators have been asking. Can you monetize a free sound effect channel on YouTube? Spoiler alert, the answer might surprise you. First off, let's clarify what we mean by free sound effect channels. These are YouTube channels dedicated to providing royalty-free sound effects that anyone can use in their projects. They're super handy for creators who want to add some spice to their videos without getting hit by copyright claims. So, can you actually make money from these channels? The short answer is yes, but there are some important things you need to know. To monetize your channel, your content must be original. This means you can't just download sound effects from other sources and re-upload them. You need to create or record your own sound effects. Think of unique sounds you can produce at home or in your environment. The more unique, the better. You need to comply with YouTube's partner program policies. This means having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But more importantly, your content needs to be advertiser-friendly. So, no inappropriate content, folks. YouTube provides a vast library of free music and sound effects you can use in your videos. This is a great resource because it ensures that your content is safe from copyright claims. Make sure the sounds you upload are your own, but you can use background music from the YouTube audio library to enhance your videos. Monetization isn't just about ad revenue. Consider diversifying your income streams. You could offer premium sound effect packs for sale, start a Patreon, or even provide custom sound services. The sky's the limit. Last but not least, promote your channel on social media, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other creators. The more traffic you drive to your channel, the better your chances of hitting those monetization milestones. So there you have it. Monetizing a free sound effect channel on YouTube is definitely possible, but it takes some work and creativity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.